A wrongful death and excessive force lawsuit against the city of Huntsville and convicted police officer William Ben Darby will be allowed to move forward, a federal judge said today. U.S. District Judge Lyles C. Burke agreed to lift a stay in the lawsuit filed by the estate of Jeff Parker, the man Darby was convicted of shooting and killing. Attorneys for Parker's estate asked the judge to lift the stay after Darby was convicted of murder last month. Attorneys for Darby and the city argued the lawsuit should be kept on hold until after Darby is sentenced in Madison County Criminal Court on August 20. The judge announced his decision at a hearing this afternoon at the federal courthouse in downtown Huntsville. Burke hasn't yet issued a written order. In agreeing to lift the stay, Burke said the lawyers can move forward with exchanging records and evidence. But the judge said that depositions, interviews of people involved in the case, should be delayed until after the sentencing. The family is very happy to have their specific allegations and that part of the case moving forward, said Rip Andrews, one of the attorneys representing Darby's estate, at a press conference on the steps of the federal courthouse. Attorneys for Darby and the city did not speak to reporters after the hearing. Darby did not attend the hearing. Judge Burke issued the stay, which is a pause in the case, shortly after the lawsuit was filed last year. Attorneys for the Parker estate at that time did not oppose the delay, which was meant to protect Darby's Fifth Amendment rights against self-incrimination as his testimony could have been used against him in the criminal case. Speaking in court today, Lauren Smith, an attorney representing Darby in the lawsuit, said she was concerned about whether moving forward with the civil case could run afoul of a gag order issued in Darby's criminal case. The order, issued by Madison County Circuit Judge Donna Pate, prohibits Darby and the lawyers in the criminal case from making public comments about the case. Judge Burke paused today's hearing to call Judge Pate and ask whether she believed resuming the civil case would cause a conflict. Burke ruled in favor of lifting the stay after speaking with Pate. He said that Judge Pate did not object to lifting the stay, as her gag order was intended to keep the parties of the criminal case from making comments to the news media. The lawsuit accuses Darby and the city of wrongful death and excessive force. In the 15-page complaint filed last year, attorneys for the Parker estate also allege that the city for years failed to address systemic deficiencies regarding the use for force by Huntsville police officers. Darby shot and killed Parker on April 3, 2018. Parker called police that Tuesday afternoon and reported that he was armed and suicidal. The first officer to arrive at Parker's West Huntsville home found him sitting on a couch with a gun to his own head.